Start.
Okay. Good morning to all. So in second year last class we discussed what about the vertebrates from their classifications from last class we discussed. Now today last class we discussed what about the chordata and how many classes are there, and classification also is just from the last class. Now then, actual what about the chordata? That means the presence of a vertebral column. The presence of vertebral column. Vertebral column is present. So we call it as a chorda and eta, the presence of it. But what about from their general characters? First of all, those are the general characters are its presence. From these general characters should be present in external and internal. That means the general characters are dependent on the morphological structures. What are the morphological structures? Because those are the body structures from externally and internally is presence. So we call that is from the external morphology, then internal morphology from here. In these chordates, those are from general characters are its presence. So what is the general characters are here presence? That is externally. What we observe here, because of those are the organisms are is there. From their organisms are being protected with either skin or either scales or either any other cuticles, some insect. Because of some of the organisms are protected with the skins, scales, cuticles, and some other example also like feathers. They are also there, and also the most important thing also is that because of some type of the hard type of the skin will be present, then their body will be protected. For example, skin in human body, scales, fishes, feathers, particularly from the birds, like these are on the parts should be here protected. And also here, some types of the external exocrine glands are present in their body. Like for example, in skin there are from the sweat gland is present, and one is the sebaceous glands also is present. Skin glands, then the sweat gland, sebaceous glands. And also here, those are in the scales are is present. From these scales are, we call it is a exoskeleton. Generally we have from endoskeletons are is there, and here from exoskeletons also will be here presence. And in externally their body is present with sense organs also is present, and some of the organisms are like ears and eye. The eyes are external presence. The ears and eye will be externally is presence. And also from nose. Nose is also presence of externally. And one more thing, some of the organisms are their body is divided. The body is divided. Head, neck, trunk, some of the species from tail. These are the particularly from the bodies divided. And also when internally absorbed from, those are the chordatas are present from their digestive system also. The digestive system will present from alimentary canals, and then glands are also present. That is what the digestive glands also here present. And particularly from their respiratory system, when we observe here, from their respiratory system size, what presence are here? Either lungs are either skin. For example, frog is being from the skin and some of the lungs and also from the gills like fishes, etc. So that the respiratory system also, the respiratory tract is will be different here. And also from what about from circulatory system. These are any presence and because its presence. What is that? The circulatory systems are these presence are from their heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart and blood and blood vessels. But generally in all organisms are from their hearts are somehow from 2 chambers, 3 chambers and 4 chambers are present. For example, fishes 2 chambers and also from the reptiles the 3 chambers, one is incompleted, and in apes and monkeys they are from the 4 chambers. In reptiles, particularly except from crocodile, the 4 chambers are there. Remaining all reptiles and amphibians are they have the 3 chambers are will be present. So that is their circulatory system also is present. And what about from their excretory system? In the excretory systems are mesonephron and also some organs from metanephrons also is present. And particularly which organs are most important? They are from kidney and their nitrogen of waste materials are these. What is that? Either urea or some of the like a ammonia or some of the uric acid. These 3 types of the nitrogen waste materials are here present. And also from their nervous system and particularly from these nervous systems are these presence are from neurons. They are from the cranial nerves and then spinal nerves. And also here from sensory part, the sensory organs also here present. But the cranial nerves, some of the 10 pairs are the particularly some of the from the 11 pairs also will be here present. 10 pairs of cranial pairs, 11 pairs also cranial pairs, and some of the important from 12 pairs of the cranial pairs also will be here present. 10 from the fishes and amphibians, and 11 from the 12 from the mammals also we just observe here. And also from their reproductive system. That is from the particularly is a unisexuals are, you can write from here the unisexual, otherwise you can write from the individual organism, that is of individual males are separated and also from females also will be here present. That is the unisexuals. And some of the organisms are we also call is a urinogenital system. What is the meaning of urinogenital system? That means urine genital, that means sperms is moving a single way because it is presence only in male only, it is absence in female. There is a urinogenital system. And also here we just developing from the fertilization. The fertilizations are from either sometimes from external or sometimes from internal. 2 types of the fertilizations. And the development also will be here. Direct process is there and indirect process also will be here. So these are the only from general characters of from the vertebrates only, that means chordate only. But now after in this chordate, how many classes are there? There are from 7 classes and 2 super classes. These all are tomorrow we discuss. Okay students, so this is our today class.